Alright, boom. I just broke my flipping tripod, so I'm gonna have to hold the camera up now. So, just speak to someone I talk to regularly, and she has a normal job just like most of us. She works in a bank, but her skill and her talent is to be a musician. This girl knows how to sing, she knows how to rap, she knows how to play a saxophone and a guitar. Her skill, her talent is to be a musician. That's what she needs to do. Now she responded saying, I would love to go up and perform in front of lots of people, but I'm nervous. I get scared in front of crowds. That's cool. Even I would be nervous, doing a public speech. But the best way to do that and to get good at that is to practice. So start off small. So I said to her, what she needs to do is she needs to go to karaoke night at the pub. Now I know you probably think that that's funny, but I'm being dead serious. Go to the karaoke night at the pub because the vibe's going to be much more relaxed. But you can use that as a simulation to, conquer your fears. The only way you're going to conquer your fear is if you hit it head on and you practice, 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 repetition. Don't leave this world without becoming like your best version, your best self. Your best self doesn't belong, her best self doesn't belong in the bank. Her best self belongs on the stage, performing in front of millions of people, or at least thousands of people to start off with. So if you got some kind of dream, some kind of goal, you need to hit it hard. Time is limited. Don't waste your time, If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.